Yeah, good evening, students. Welcome back to my channel Smart Codings. This is your host Saikot Banerjee. I have received a request from one of my students to solve the program which you can see in the screen. So, on your request, on your interest, I am making this video to help my dear students to solve this program so that you can feel easy to code it without any difficulty. So, I request you, if this video is really useful to you, kindly comment it, share it, and subscribe it. Don't forget to click on the bell icon for more updates. So students, as you can see in the screen, we have to design a class to overload a function Polygon. The function name will be Polygon, right? So there are three methods given there, three types of methods. Like a Polygon, the method name is same. We are passing here integer type and char type arguments, having two arguments, that is integer. One is integer, one is char type, to draw a field square like this with O. Character is O with field square. We need to draw this one, a square, field square, using by overloading a function Polygon. First thing is this. Second is we are passing two parameters, int x comma int y, both are integer type. Okay, to draw a rectangle, that is a field rectangle like this. As you can see in the given the question, the x value will be 2 and y value will be 5. This will be given in the question. Now one more we have to draw it here is, we have to draw a field triangle where we will not pass any argument in the method Polygon. This will be blank like this. So it's very clear, students, very specific in the question that we have to overload a Polygon. What do you mean function overloading? Function overloading is a concept where method having same name but different argument list. I have told you already in my video tutorial. You can go to my playlist and access those videos if you have forgot the concept. So we have to overload the function Polygon. See, function Polygon having the same name but different argument list. Here is the two arguments having integer and char. Here same argument but two parameters. There is no argument here. With this function overloading of this Polygon method, we will be creating this geometrical shapes. So let's get started. So before I start, let's go back, switch to this BlueJ editor. I already have written the question over here. Let's write here class Polygon, class Polygon. I hope this is clear. Now inside this method we will write public void Polygon. Just see how the code is being written. Read the question multiple times, understand the question demand, and start writing the code. Now here we have to pass two parameters, right? Int n comma char ch according to the question. I hope this is clear. Now inside this I'll be writing a nested loop, because you need to print a pattern of squares, rectangle, and triangle. So let's give the value I equal to 1, starting from 1. Now semicolon, as the for loop syntax goes, I less than equal to n, I plus plus. I hope this part is clear. Now n value will be taking from this method. Now inside this, so let us comment it here. This is for number of rows, to print number of rows here. Now inside this we will be writing one more for loop for int j equal to 1, j less than equal to n, j plus plus. j plus plus. This for to print the number of columns. Number of columns. Okay. Now inside this, what will print is will be displaying the square which will be looking like this, right? O. The character is O here. So inside this j loop body, we'll write here system dot out dot print. System dot out dot print will write here ch, right? We'll writing here ch. I will be closing this for loop body, and finally for the new line we are writing the system dot out dot println. This is for the new line. Okay, now let's close this for loop. Okay, now once again I will be writing another polygon method. We'll overload this polygon method according to the question, where we'll be passing int x comma int y, int x comma int y. I hope this is clear, students. Now let us copy this and change the variable name. That's what is a smart work while you write a code. So we'll be writing here int I equal to 1, int I less than equal to x, I plus plus, and this is for number of rows again, to print number of rows here. Inside this is a pattern printing, is a concept of nested loop. For I will be showing the logic here after writing the code. Int j equal to 1. Okay, j equal to 1. Let's start j with 1, semicolon, j less than equal to y, j plus plus, right? Now inside this we'll be printing rectangle. It looks like this with the @ symbol. System dot out dot print, we'll be printing here rectangle like this one. We'll close this for loop body, and for the new line we will be copying this one. Okay, now see here, suppose I value is 1, I value is 1, 1 less than equal to n. What is the n value given here? 2. So 1 less than equal to 2, condition true, will be passing n value 2. So 1 less than equal to 2, condition true, will go inside the for loop body here. Again j equal to 1, 1 less than equal to n value was 2, 1 less than equal to 2, condition correct. So we'll be printing here ch. We'll be passing from the main method, the value of ch will be o here. We're printing o. First o will be printed like this. This o. See my cursor I am highlighting here in the question above. Now again j plus plus, j will be 2, 2 less than equal to 2, condition true. Again it will print o in the same line. That's why it is print only print, not ln. Same line it will print another o. Now again j plus plus, it is 3, 3 less than equal to 2, condition false. So it will come out from this loop and it will go down over here. It will not go inside the loop body because condition is false here. Go down over here, execute this statement to go to a new line. Again I will be 1, 1 less than equal to 2, condition true. Again j equal to 1, 1 less than equal to 2. Again it will print this in the second row. First o it will print, then again j plus plus, 2 less than equal to 2, condition true. Again it will print this o. Now when it is become j becomes 3, condition is false, so it will not print here. It will go out of this loop. Okay, this is how it works. So for this, same for this also, as it is given in the question, x equal to 2 and y equal to 5, 1 less than equal to 2, condition true, it will go here. Okay, now j less than equal to y, this is j less than equal to y. So j equal to 1, y value was what in the question given? 5. So 1 less than equal to 5, condition true. So from starting from 1 till 5 it will go, because in this it will print 5 at the rate symbol. The 5 times it will print. So that's why starting from 1 it will go till 5. So here I hope this part is clear. So y value will be 5 here and x value will be 2. Okay, why 2? Because it is printing two rows. Basically, two rows are the first row and second row. So this loop is for number of rows and this for number of columns. So 1 till 5 it will go why? Because 5 at the red symbol is there to form a rectangle over here. Now once j will become 6 less than equal to 5, condition false, it will not print here. It will go down and execute this statement. Once this statement will be executed, it will go to the new line. Again, it will go to the for loop again here. Again, I will starting from 1. 1 less than equal to x value was 2. Condition true. Go down. Starting from 1, it will again execute 5 times to print this 5 rectangle again once again. Once it will be 6, condition is false. Go out of the loop. So these two figures will be printed. Now we will be writing another method to print this triangle, that is like this public. Let us copy this. Will not pass any parameters as put into the question. Will not pass any parameter over here. Simply to form a triangle, we need to write a loop over here. So what will we be writing? For int I equal to 1, starting from 1, I less than equal to 3. Why 3? Because as you can see the triangle, first row, second row, third row, 3 rows will be there. That's why I equal to 1, starting from 1 and go till 3. I hope this is clear. Now I plus plus, I plus plus, inside this will be writing, students, one j loop for int j equal to 1, j less than equal to I, j plus plus. I hope this is clear. Now inside this we have to print the triangle with a star symbol. So we need to print here a star over here, system dot out dot print. Fine. So we'll be printing here asterisk symbol, that is star. Once this is done, we'll close this loop. Now for a new line, we have to use this statement. Now I hope this part is clear. Now finally we'll close the class. Finally we'll close this. So see, class, then it is class bracket is over here, method is here. So how many bracket is opening here? 1, 2 and 3. Okay, so this is closed, and this method will be closed here. Okay, now this is closed, this is 3 opened, and we need to close this 3 method. Fine. Now again, in this method, again we'll be writing here 3 braces and 3 will be closing. This is closed, inner loop, outer loop is closed. We have to be very careful for this. Now this is done. Now we'll close the class also. As you can see, this class will be closed. This class will close. Now from the main method public, as you know, every program in Java has a main method, public static void main string args. Fine. Now the class name was what? Let us check the class name what I've given, Polygon. So class name was Polygon. Let's give this Polygon underscore overload, because method name is Polygon over here. Let's copy that class name. Fine. Now we'll create an object of that class, Polygon ob equal to new Polygon. So this ob is the object of Polygon overload class. Now we have to pass a parameter from here, ob.polygon, to call the method. We'll call the first method. We'll pass here 2 comma, in single quote a character will pass o, right? So this is done. Fine. Now once this figure will be printed, this square, after that this will printed, after that this will be printed. So in between there should be some gap over there, right? Space. So to print that gap, we have to give some space using this statement. I hope this part is clear. Now again we'll be calling another method ob.polygon 2 comma 5. Okay, another time again we have to skip a space. Now finally we'll call the last method ob.polygon with this. We'll close this. Finally we'll be compiling this. Few errors are there, so let us check the errors. Public static void main. So let's check here. Class overload polygon. So inside this class there will be a main method. So after this we can see the no syntax error. Close this. Let's go back to the editor over here. This is a polygon. Right click on this main method. Let us maximize this. As you can see the output students square, then some space, then this rectangle, then there's a triangle over there. So it is basically a concept of nested loop. Nested loop. You have to be very careful. Function having same name, same function name, but different parameter list for different purpose. First function is used for to print the square. Second function is used for to print the rectangle, and the last triangle is used for to print the triangle. So this logic you have to think and write. That thinking you should be developing yourself by practicing more and more. I hope this part is clear to you students. Go through the program and keep watching smart codings. Happy learning with smart codings. Subscribe the channel Smart Codings for more updates, for more videos. Till the time, take care. Thank you.